This is the apply for citizenship page, and here all the details are given. I will show you what the eligibility requirements have been asked. To be eligible to become a Canadian citizen, you must be a permanent resident. I am a permanent resident. Have lived in Canada for 3 out of last 5 years. I have lived in Canada for more than 3 years. Have filed your taxes if you need to. From the time I have landed, I have been filing my taxes. Pass a citizenship test. This will come later after I submit the application. Prove your language skills. When I came on permanent resident status, I appeared for IELTS exam and I had submitted that result, and based on that my language proficiency was checked. So I have that too. Now there are situations where one can be prevented from becoming a Canadian citizen. You can go and read this. I am confident about what I am doing. So to further check the eligibility, once I click here, check your eligibility. Here, have you been a permanent resident and physically been in Canada for at least 3 of the last 5 years? So minimum 1095 days physical presence in Canada is required. I have stayed more than that. Once we go through the calculator, I'll show you. My answer is yes. In the last 5 years, have you been outside of Canada for more than a total of 730 days? My answer is no. Come down. Have Canadian officials advised you to leave Canada, or that you have unfulfilled conditions related to your PR status? My answer here is no. Do any of the following apply to you? It's a long list. You can read at your own time. I have gone through this list and my answer is no. If there is any of the answer as yes, then there are further questions which is getting asked. So it's very logical. Once you read this, you will get to know. My answer here is no. You may need to have proof that you know English or French. Which of these best describes your situation? I talked about giving IELTS exam. So here I choose I am between 18 to 54 and I have proof that I have knowledge of English or French. In the past 5 years, have you been required to file your personal income taxes under Income Tax Act of Canada? From the day I have landed here, I have been filing taxes. So my response is yes. Did you file your personal income taxes if you were required to do so in the past 5 years? From the time I have landed, I have been filing my taxes regularly. The answer is yes. And now it says you probably meet the requirement to apply for Canadian citizenship. So what are the next steps? Physical presence calculator. I'll show you how it is done, and then application package for adult.